basement.
Our first basic cleaning of the searwood occurred after 10 cooks, which included one 24-hour brisket session and 3 6-hour rib sessions. Removing the sear grate, the Weber crafted accessory insert, and the standard grates reveals nothing special, pretty much what you'd expect to see in a pellet smoker. Some pellet ash on the sides and bottom, and in the case of Weber grills, the flavor bar has a bit of caked grease. What I'm most concerned with is what's going on in the bottom of the pit. On my now dead Weber SmokeFire EX6, the predecessor to the searwood, I'd get massive flare-ups when cooking at high temps if I didn't clean it very regularly, because all the ash and grease would collect at the bottom of the flat pit and form a flammable gel cake. So far, that doesn't appear to be the case with the searwood. The diffuser that you see here sits on top of the firebox, which is also a new design compared to the SmokeFire. What I wasn't expecting to see was the sheer volume of ash sitting inside of the diffuser from previous cooks. This is the biggest takeaway. All that ash could impede high flames when trying to sear, so my biggest recommendation is to empty this diffuser often, maybe once every 2 to 4 cooks, even if you don't clean the rest of the pit, but every few months. Luckily, it's real easy to just take out the diffuser and dump it in the trash. Otherwise, everything looks pretty good. I recommend a shop vac for quickly getting extra ash off the bottom, which takes just a couple of minutes. There is some crust that is caked at the very bottom, but this piece comes out and can be easily soaked and cleaned. In the near future, we'll be doing an episode geared towards deep cleaning. If you have any cleaning recommendations, hit us up in the comments. Cheers.
Deep basement.